Hi friends, welcome to Santosh Reddy Commerce Academy. My name is Santosh. So in this video, we are going to discuss about CA Inter. So some brief idea about CA Inter course. Who is eligible for CA Inter? One is CA Foundation completed students can join directly in the CA Inter. But for them, articles eligibility will come after completing either one group or both groups of CA Inter. So there are two types of category of persons are eligible for CA Inter. One type of persons are CA Foundation through CA Foundation completed students. Another category is direct entry scheme after degree. So the degree completed students can directly join in the CA Inter without CA Foundation, but there are some conditions. Three conditions are there. If you are a BCom student, you should have minimum 55% in the BCom. If you are other than BCom student like BSc, PhD students, you should have minimum 60%. That is first condition. Second condition, before going to CA Inter exam, you should have a 1 month IT training. You should complete 1 month IT training in the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Another condition, 9 months articles training period should be completed before entering into CA Inter exam. Before exam, you can attend the CA Inter course now itself. But before writing the exam, you should complete 9 months of articleship training. These are the three conditions after degree who are coming into CA Inter. So you should have a 55% and you should complete 1 month training and you should complete 9 months articleship training. Then you can write CA Inter exam. Almost 1 year you have to plan. It is a 1 year course. So our batch in our institute batch starts from 1st July for CA Inter course. Now, if you complete CA Inter, what are the opportunities you are having? So, what are the job opportunities? Sir, I'm a BCom. You are having a BCom plus CA Inter plus Santosh Reddy practical training, SR practical training course. If you mix these three, BCom plus CA Inter plus SR practical training, you will get minimum 6 lakhs per annum package in the MNCs, multinational companies. So BCom completed students, you can complete CA Inter 1 year course, and you can take one SR practical training, that is 1 month course. You are eligible for 6 lakhs package per annum. It is very better opportunity for BCom completed students instead of going to MBA and wasting your time of 2.5 years. If you go to MBA course is almost 2.5 years. Within 1 year, you are eligible for a job if you complete CA Inter and our practical training. Now come to the syllabus point of view. What are the papers we are having in the CA Inter? How many papers are there? What is the exam pattern? Now we are going to discuss. So if you come to our exam pattern, CA Inter syllabus, CA intermediate syllabus is divided into two groups, group 1, group 2. Group 1 will have 4 papers, group 2 will have 4 papers. First we will discuss about group 1. In group 1, I just now I told you, group 1 will contain 4 papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. Paper 1, what is paper 1? Accounting paper. Just extension to your CA foundation. It is a extension to CA foundation accounting. Normal accounting like partnership accounts, some departmental accounts, branch accounts, introduction to accounting standards. It is a 100 marks paper. It is totally descriptive. That means you have to write the answers. 3 hours examination will be there for this paper. Second paper, paper 2, it is a corporate and other laws. Second paper is divided into again 2 parts, part 1, part 2. Part 1 company law, part 2 other law. Company law means whatever you studied in the BCom, like board meetings, like incorporation of companies, what is private limited, public limited, like that, whatever you studied in the company law, like debentures, share capital. This is a company law, 60 marks paper. And other laws means like Indian Contract Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, like other laws will be there. That is 40 marks paper, total 100 marks, but it is divided into 2 parts. But when come to paper type, 70% will be descriptive, 30% will be MCQs, multiple choice questions. It is very advantage to the students. 30% will be bits type. So next come to paper 3. Paper 3 is a cost and management accounting. That is your costing, whatever you studied in the BCom, that is your costing paper. It is total 100 marks paper. It is entirely descriptive. Next paper 4, taxation. This taxation includes again two parts. Part 1, part 2, section A, section B. Income tax, and that means indirect, direct tax and indirect tax is merged into taxation. Income tax is a 60 marks and indirect taxes means GST is a 40 marks. Total 100 marks paper. It is also 70% descriptive and 30% MCQ, multiple choice questions. So group 1 is very easy for the BCom students because you already studied all these concepts in the BCom first year, second year, third year. But here the test will be practical oriented. In the CA, the test will be practical oriented. Whatever you studied in the BCom, that is only extension in the group 1. You can easily get through the CA group 1 if you are a BCom student. Next, come to group 2, CA intermediate group 2. Again, you will have 4 papers. Paper 5, paper 6, paper 7, paper 8. Paper 5, advanced accounting. See, paper 1 is a normal accounting. Paper 5 is a advanced accounting. Advanced accounting means this is also we are having in the BCom, like amalgamation, merger, reconstruction. You are having whatever in the advanced accounting in the BCom paper, same almost all, but practically tested. It is total descriptive 100 marks paper. Next, auditing paper also you are having in the BCom, auditing and assurance. It is 100 marks paper, but 70% descriptive and 30% multiple choice questions. Paper 7 is a, I think, new paper to the BCom students. It is a enterprise information system and statistics management subject. It is almost all dry subject, totally theoretical subject. So enterprise information system means like how the information will flow in the business, how the systems will be developed in the like IT subject. You can think as IT subject, enterprise information system. Statistics management means like levels of management, how the decisions will happen in the companies. It is totally management subject, paper 7. It is a total theoretical subject, but 70% descriptive, 30% MCQs will be there. Another important subject, this is also you are having in the BCom, financial management and economics for finance. So paper 8 is divided into two parts. Part A, financial management, 60 marks. Part B, economics for finance, 40 marks. Financial management means you already studied in the BCom, like capital markets, working capital, ratios, like capital budgeting. All you know these papers. For BCom students, that's why I'm telling you, you can easily complete group 1 and group 2 within 1 year gap of time, and you are eligible for 6 lakhs package. Economics for finance also you studied, I think, in the BCom, like international markets, trade finance. It is also some theoretical subject, but very important. International dollars, exchange rates, whatever may be. It is 40 marks. Where is the difficulty? Already you studied in the BCom, but there is extension. Some more syllabus will be there. If you perfectly study the BCom, computers or BCom, BBA, whatever maybe, not BBA, BCom persons will be more comfortable. They will feel more comfortable in the CA intermediate. These are total 8 papers. Sir, what is the passing criteria? In each paper, you should get same CA foundation criteria. In each paper, you should get 40 marks. Overall, group 1, you should get 200 marks, 50%. So in each paper, you should get 40 marks. That means 160, 4 subjects, 4 into 40, 160. But overall, if you put together all 4 papers, marks should be 200. Like group 2 also same. Clear? This is the CA foundation syllabus. Sir, where I can get more marks? In the paper 1, accounting, you have to more focus on the accounting. In this paper, you can get minimum. If you focus on the accounting, 70 marks you can get. Practical subject. And company law also, you will get 60 marks paper is there. You can get minimum 40 marks, like board meetings, debentures. You know already all these subjects. And the cost and management accounting also more practical subject. You can get 60 marks. Taxation, another more important subject. You can get easily marks, 70 marks. Why the students are failing in the group one, I don't know. Group one is very easy when compared to group two. Group two, you are having dry subjects, but in the group two also you can get more marks in the advanced accounting, like amalgamation, mergers, reconstruction. Auditing, you may get at least 40 marks. Since it is theoretical subject, you can manage with 40 marks. Another dry subject is paper 7, statistical. 40 marks itself, minimum score 40 marks you can get. And paper 8, you can get 60 marks, financial management. Economics for finance also, don't think it is a theoretical subject. It is also practical. Economics for finance, international trade, very important, very interesting subject. So advanced accounting 60 marks or 70 marks. Paper 8 60 marks. You will get 140 marks. 140 plus 80. You can get easily 220 marks in group 2 also. If you plan perfectly. That's why I'm telling you, if you are a BCom student, you can easily go through the CA inter within 1 year. Then why you are wasting the time in the MBA? Clear or not? You are eligible for 6 lakhs package. You are safe. Then you can continue your CA final. At least you should have some confidence in your mind, as I'm eligible for 6 lakhs package, then you can continue your CA final. So take the perfect decision after BCom. After BCom also you are having a chance to become a CA with the nominal efforts. Why I'm telling nominal efforts? You are already having the subject knowledge in the BCom. Very easy for you. All these are BCom subjects. Clear? Right.